Before we move to explain the differences between an expression and a polynomial, you need to recall the definition of an algebraic expression. As we discussed in the previous videos, an algebraic expression is the combination of variables, constants, coefficients, along with the algebraic operations or symbols. Here, x is a variable whose value is unknown to us, which can take any value. 6 is known as the coefficient of x, as it is a constant value used with the variable term and is well defined. 2 is the constant value term that has a definite value, while this negative sign is an algebraic operation which separated these two unlikely terms. So, this is an algebraic expression. Now, algebraic expressions are divided into mainly three types, which include monomial expression, binomial expression, and polynomial expression. Students, did you notice that polynomial is a subcategory of an algebraic expressions? It means we can definitely say that every polynomial is an algebraic expression, but every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. As polynomial is also an expression, so it must have variables, constants, coefficients, and algebraic operations. But the question is, where does the true distinction lie? Look to the exponent for the solution. Exponents expresses large numbers in terms of powers. So, polynomials have non-negative integers, or you can say whole numbers, as exponents on the variable terms, while expressions can take any real value for the exponents. Let's understand by some examples. Is this a polynomial or an expression? This is an expression because all the exponents of variables are not whole numbers. 5 is a whole number, but -1 is not. And what about this one? This is also an expression because exponents of variables are 3 and 1/2, where 1/2 is not a whole number. Tell me about this one. This is a polynomial because exponents of variables are 2 and 1, which are whole numbers. Here is the last one. Is this an expression or polynomial? This is an expression because the exponent of x is -1. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I will answer in the upcoming videos. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.